Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you all a really delicious recipe you all will have to try this Christmas season. This one is for fruitcake ice cream. So to make this, it's very easy. We're going to get started in a big bowl. I'm going to go in with 1 tin of condensed milk, or you can put less if you like. Next goes in some Myers dark rum or any dark rum you may have on hand. And some essence. I'm using cherry essence today. You can use vanilla or mixed essence if you like. Once you put those ingredients in, you want to mix. Once it's well incorporated, set it aside. Now we have to whip up our heavy cream because this is a no churn ice cream. So to my mixing bowl, I'm adding in 1 pint of heavy whipping cream and I'm whipping that until it forms stiff peaks. Once it reaches the consistency, add half of the mixture to the condensed milk. We want to fold or mix this in very gently. You do not want to lose that volume in the heavy cream. Next, add the rest of the heavy cream and continue to mix until it's well incorporated. Now all you have to do is mix in some broken fruitcake pieces. So if you guys make extra fruitcake and you don't know what to do with it, this is such a great idea. Next, this goes into your freezer container. You want to level off the top and sprinkle some more of that broken cake on the top. You guys can put as much or as little cake as you would like. Now this goes into your freezer until it's properly frozen, after which you can scoop and enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoy this really easy, simple, delicious recipe. If you wanted a stronger ice cream, by all means put more alcohol. So if you guys make this, please leave me your comments down below. Let me know if you like it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I just want to wish each and every one of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2019 from the Trini Cooking with Natasha team. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in the new year. Bye!